What are the biggest challenges currently faced by e-commerce companies?
First of all, I think customer retention and personalization is getting more and more important, especially as the market is getting more crowded and more crowded. It's important for an online shop to stay on top and to offer state-of-the-art customer experience.
How does the future of e-commerce look like?
I think, first of all, artificial intelligence will play a major role also in the future, especially since ChatGPT, artificial intelligence is everywhere in our daily life. Yeah, users also expect this experience in an online store. That's the most important one.
What do you think is a must-have when it comes to online stores?
A must-have is definitely sustainability. I think sustainability is very important on both ends. So first of all, within the online store, but also as a tech provider, because nobody will work together with you without offering sustainability in your company. Secondly, I think it's important to have tools in your online store which are connected. I think there are many tools out there which are very great and very special, but it's important that those tools communicate between each other and exchange data. Those are the most important ones.
What are the decisive factors when you choose an e-commerce system?
First of all, I think it's important to understand the challenges of a client before recommending an e-commerce platform. It's important to also understand the wishes, and I think there isn't the one-size-fits-all solution. But as soon as you have identified those information, it's pretty easy to recommend an e-commerce system.
Why do you recommend Shopware?
So first of all, I think Shopware is following trends like AI, but they are also following the open source approach, which is very important for our customers.